Translations are a great way to expand your reach and get more international subscribers. That's what we talk about today, how to add translations to your videos. Here we go! Now, I create my content in English. I speak in English, but I want to try and maximise the reach that my videos will get. So here, in this video, which is how to create a custom channel URL, I've translated my title and my description into 11 other languages. In this case, Arabic, Filipino, French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Punjabi, Russian, Spanish, Turkish and Urdu. The reason behind those is that that's pretty much where I get a fair chunk of some of my viewing traffic. So what I do is I translate the title and the descriptions into foreign languages to help with metadata and to help Google understand what my video is about in multiple languages so people can search for my video in different languages. So how do you do this? Well, I'll start with a blank video. Here's a video that's yet to be published. You click edit and then under the video there is translations. We'll then load your video and this bit here. Now this bottom bit telling you which languages my audience speak happens to be from TubeBuddy, but you can see these kind of statistics in your own Google Analytics. Now in this case I'm going to be translating from English into, let's say, French. So I go add new language, select language, type in the start few letters of the word, French. So I copy this and then I go to Google Translate. Google Translate is a tool provided by Google. It's completely free, in which you go to translate.google.co.uk or .com works just the same. You paste what you want on the left hand side and then you choose the language you want it translated into to the right hand side. And there's a large selection. In this case I'm going to pick French, and over here is the French equivalent, and it's fairly accurate. And then you simply copy by clicking that thing there. It says copied. You go back to your translate page, you paste it across, and then you do the same with the description. In this case I'm using Control A to copy it all, and then Control C, back to the translate page, paste it all in, translates it all into French except for the links, so don't worry, the links won't be translated into a foreign language, only the words around the links will be. Right, and then once again you click the copy, you go back to the language, and then you click save. Now you could do that as many times as you wish. The more metadata you give YouTube, the better it can rank you. I'm not sure how effective it happens to be, but let's say you're a Dutch YouTuber and you speak in Dutch in the video, why not add English translations? Or you're English but you can speak French and you want to be able to get those additional keywords, then filling in additional translations might help you. So that's how you add translations to your titles and your descriptions. For more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here and in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for 2 videos each and every week. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted next time I go live. Go out there, start creating.